My name is Deborah Weichert. I have enjoyed being a realtor since 2006. I have lived in Kentucky all of my life and have resided in Hardin County since 2001. Originally, I got into real estate because the job that I was working no longer existed for me. So I thought long and hard on what I wanted to do, and I really like working with people and helping people. And after a lot of thought and research, I thought that real estate would be a good choice, and I have found that it really is because I like helping people. I really love the area because it reminds me of the small town that I came from. In Breckinridge County, the people are very friendly and you're always welcome. It also has areas that remind me of home. Freeman Lake, which is a place that you can go in town and you actually feel like you've left town with the lake and the geese and all nature that you can take in. Also, on the flip side of that, I do like some of the things that they have that are more big city, which they have the Pack Theater and things that you can get into that I really enjoy. Well, when I'm not doing real estate, one of my favorite things to do is sketch. And Freeman Lake is one of the places I go most often to sketch. And when I'm not sketching, I like to take my German Shepherd out and we do a lot of walking. I would like to say he walks. I walk him, but I think he walks me. But we have a good time. But those are the things that I enjoy to do. Generally, I start out with meeting with the client and we evaluate where their property needs are, and if they're wanting to sell their property, I would start with a cost market analysis and see where we're at as far as what their property should list for. The other things that we use once the property is listed, we would use virtual tour, get it on the internet with various avenues on the internet. We also still use a magazine, which we get a lot of good feedback off of the magazine. We also use the flyers on the signs, and another thing that we have that we use is the voice pad, which we put on properties, and the client, potential buyers can actually call a number and get all the information about that property. My integrity and my work ethic and my honesty and all those things make me the person for the job. Whether you're in the market to buy or sell property, remember, just dial Deb.